Look at it coming off there. Alrighty, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We finally got it. We've been talking about it for 2 months. We finally got it. We got our brand new bed. Well, it's not brand new. As you can see, it needs a little love. But you know what? That's okay. We expect that. We found it on Facebook Marketplace, picked it up for $300. You just can't beat that. That was a super good deal. So what we got here is Super Clean reached out to us and they said, hey, we'd like to give you this stuff to see if you can test it out for us. So you know what? What better way than to test it out on this nasty truck bed? So we got to get all of this up under here cleaned up really good, because we're going to black all this out, and then we're going to clean the outsides with it, get all the wax and whatever's on it all. We're going to bust out the mean green machine here, and we're going to get to it. We're going to get this done. We got a lot lined up, so we got to get all of this done. Then we're going to get the bed over here on the stand. And we probably won't start the body work on it today because that's asking a whole lot, but we're definitely going to get it cleaned up. We're going to get it cleaned up. We're going to test the Super Clean out. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this for a long time. We are finally back up to 100% capacity here, man. We're ready to go. We're going to crank out some good stuff. So let's hop to it right now. All right, here's another little product that the guys at Super Clean sent us. We're going to squirt this on the bedside here and see how that goes. So we'll just squirt it on there and then we'll see how it works. It looks like it's the same stuff, just in an aerosol can. Alrighty, man. It came up flood on us while we was cleaning out that bed. Got my shirt all wet, but I had this shirt the folks from Super Clean sent me, so I put on a dry shirt. And what we're gonna do now, we gotta get some of this stuff painted. You know, like I said, man, I'm back up to speed, so I feel like working. So we're gonna get this bumper taken apart, we're gonna paint it for sure. We're gonna paint the bumper. We're gonna try to paint the grill over here. So we gotta get the grill all scuffed up and taped off. We're gonna paint it. We're gonna tape this all up, and we're gonna paint these. I was looking at the fender flares, but probably the only thing that we're gonna do to these is take them outside, hit them with the mean green, get them cleaned up, and we're not gonna paint these today. They're gonna be flat black. That's too much painting for me to do today. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get started taking this bumper apart first, and we'll get that took apart. I'm gonna scuff it up real quick. I'm gonna put some etch primer on this chrome and let that be drying. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hop to it right now. Alrighty, man, things are moving right along. We're doing a really good job here. We got a bunch of pieces in the booth. We're fixing to paint them gray. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna sealer this stuff first over here. I'm gonna get a little sealer on that. And then we're gonna paint it all our cement gray and just get all of this stuff done. I mean, we hated to waste a good day. We got that bed just super clean. I mean, with the super clean. It is super clean with the super clean. We're ready to start the body work on that, but we need to get some of this stuff painted for the front end. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. I'm gonna mix up some sealer. I'm gonna come back in here and spray that. And then we're gonna mix up some paint and we're gonna spray that. Alrighty guys, man, I feel like we got a lot of work done today. Feels good to be back up to 100% and just work. Man, we got that new bed. We got it all cleaned up with the Super Clean. It is really, really clean, so we're ready to start the body work on that. And then I got the grill and the bumper pieces and the corner lights. It just everything up front I got painted what we need to get painted gray, but I still got to paint the black. So we're going to paint the flat black on the bottom of the bumper, and we're going to paint the fender flares flat black. So we'll do that in the next video, I guess. So that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Like I said, I am super excited. We got lots of exciting things lined up for this channel. So if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we're out.